everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem when the TikTok Recap 2025 button does not appear on your account. Normally, the recap button shows up in your inbox or over here or it's appear under your profile like this over here. But for some users, this button just doesn't appear at all. So if you are having these same issues, don't worry, here's the solutions. First, just open your TikTok app as usual and make sure your app is already updated to the latest versions. And then next, just tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen, this one. Just like when you want to create a new video, and then just tap on create like this. Now just look at the top left corner of your screen. Here you will see recap 2025, this one. Just tap on it.
With that, the 2025 season comes to an end. Good night.
And then next, just tap on view all to customize your recap, this one. And then in here you can choose which video that you want to include in your recap. It even has a story too, or you can even upload a new videos or new content directly from your gallery by tap on upload, this one. And then after you finish selecting and editing your content, just tap on confirm. And then next just tap on edit. And then in here you can select the template that you want. Over here, just select the template. It has many templates. And then after that, after you selected the template, you can choose to post it on your story or your feed like this. If you choose to post it on your feed, just tap on next. And then next, just add a caption, hashtag, and adjust your posting settings like audience, comments, and more. And once everything is ready, just tap on pause, and your TikTok Recap 2025 will be uploaded successfully. And okay, that's it. That's how you can fix the issue when the TikTok Recap 2025 button is not showing on your account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.